What up folks, Advanced Gunslinger Armament here again. Today we're doing a video on hand placement and weapons movement so that you can work most efficiently with your hybrid instant transition sling. More specifically in this video, we're going to be demonstrating our OTS or over-the-shoulder kit. The over-the-shoulder kit comes in two parts. One is the mel end, which is placed on the chest strap between your secondary attachment and the plastic tri-glide. The second component goes on the fire side of your war apron, taking up two sections of one row of MOLLE. Alright, if you want to go ahead and utilize your OTS kit, you need to go into that single point configuration. At that time, you get positive control with your support hand on the forward rail. Your fire hand goes in between yourself and your kit, underneath your sling, around grabbing the buttstock here. It goes up and over onto your back. At that point in time, you go ahead and put the male end into the female end, and you're good to go. This is what the OTS kit looks like. Now, will the OTS kit move around? Or will your rifle move around? Yes, it will. It's more of an administrative accessory. What are some of the things that I like to do with the OTS kit? So, as you can see, I have a nice free and clear chest system here. I don't have the rifle here anymore, right? So for me, if I'm jamming mags, I like to go ahead and do that. I just pop it on back there and do what I need to do, jam mags all day long. I'm reading a map, writing something down, just cruising around the compound. Whatever it is, right, it's easy right now for me to do, okay? But let's say that something does happen and I do need to get my weapon up. What you do at that time is your fire hand goes back and grasps the buttstock at the same time that your support hand goes to the female end and basically depresses both sides of the male end to unclip it, bring it up at the same time around, and you're ready to go. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to show it to you real time. Okay, let's go ahead and clip it up here. Here we are. We want to utilize the OTS kit. Maybe I got to go fill out some paperwork, got in trouble, did something, whatever. Alright, here we go. Single point mode, around, over the side, clip it in. Let it hang out. Bad guys jump over the wall, they want some attention. Here we go. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments section. If you want to get the best sling out on the market today, or if you're looking to pick up one of these OTS kits, you can do both on our website at www.advancedgunslinger.com.